Somewhere high up in the north, in the vast and barren terrains of the tundra, lives a very mysterious animal. Often symbolic of wisdom, historically revered as a medium between the worlds. The snowy owl, best known by fans of Harry Potter. In some years, it undertakes the long journey westwards to Europe, sometimes to Germany. Why does it exert itself to such extremes? Lemmings and snowy owls are entwined. Their relationship exists over thousands of years. Most for the lemming end with its death. For the owl, it is essential. The prey is not for the hunter. His mate is waiting. The pair have 4 offspring to rear. The father has to leave again straight away. The mother stays to feed the 3-week-old chicks. They have to gain weight quickly because autumn will begin in 3 months' time. In the land of the snowy owl, the sun won't set for many weeks, and thus, quite untypically for owls, it hunts in the daylight. Its eyes are accustomed to it. Nothing escapes its attention. Watching and waiting, that is its strategy. But not for waterfowls. They're not so well suited for the chicks. The owl is waiting for the lemming above all else. It's taking too long for the female. The chicks need at least 4 rodents per day. Not a problem in good lemming years when the male can provide one after the other. Then the owls can manage to raise up to 11 offspring. But right now there are few to be found. That's why the family is so small. When food is in short supply, owls lay fewer eggs. But nevertheless, it is still not enough for the little ones. Around every 4 years, there is an explosion in the lemming numbers. At least that's how it's been until now. But now such a boom time for lemmings is long overdue. What is it that has disrupted this cycle? If there is too little food, it is the last born and therefore the smallest that will pay the price in its development. Its chances to compete for its share against the larger chicks will be ever more remote. The male is out for increasingly prolonged amounts of time to find prey. It's vital that the mother manages to protect her young against the icy winds. In a short time, the temperature will drop to near freezing point. The mother deepens the hollow of the nest for protection while the father searches in vain for lemmings. The family is starving. It's as if the lemmings have been swallowed up by the ground. The mother has nothing more to offer the pleas of her nestling. She seems to have run out of ideas as to how to help her dying chick. The adults can deal with far lower temperatures. But for the smallest, in these circumstances, there is no chance. The male has no time to lose. He has to make sure at least that the other chicks survive. The owl will feed the dead chick to the other chicks. Every form of nutrition is imperative as long as the male continues to have problems. The fortune of the family is uncertain. One thing is for certain, though, an increase in lemming numbers this summer has not materialized. The chicks have to manage to achieve a weight of at least 2 kilos within the next 3 weeks. If not, they will not survive the winter. The fog hardly clears at all. Already in the middle of August, it is autumn. The geese begin their escape to the south. Snowy owls, however, are not migratory birds. They remain where they are. A little later, and the tundra is covered with snow, much earlier than expected.